For this video, you should have printed up the worksheet, Draw the Time. We'll go ahead and do this worksheet together. However, if you'd like to try it by yourself first, go right ahead, and then you can play this video to follow along and make sure that you got it right. All right, let's get started. All right, on this worksheet, we're going to have to draw the hands ourselves. Let's start with our hours. Now our hours is our big hand? No, it's our little hand. So first we're going to draw our little hand. This one says 1. So let's start on our clock and find our 1. 1. So I'm going to draw a little short line pointing at the 1. I added an arrow on the end of mine. Now the 2 zeros mean o'clock. So we want to draw our long line pointing where? That's right, it's going to go straight up. So we'll start at our circle and go straight up all the way till we almost touch that line, and we can add an arrow there as well. How about this one? This one says 12 for our hours. Do you remember where the 12 is? The 12's on top. Remember, we can count all the way around and we'll end up at 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our little hand for the hours, just little, is on the 12. Now it's 12 o'clock. So where does our minute hand go for o'clock? Straight up as well. So what I'm going to do is draw another line straight through it that's longer and draw another arrow. So now you see 1 arrow and 2 arrow. So there, those 2 arrows tell us it's 12 o'clock. All right, how about this one? Our hours, our little tiny hand is going to say 2. Let's count for the 2. 1, 2. All right, I want my arrow to go towards the 2, just nice and small. And my big long hand goes straight up for o'clock. 6 o'clock. Our hour hand's gonna say 6. Where does the 6 go? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It goes down. So we're gonna draw a little hand coming down with an arrow, just straight down. And then our minutes, our clock, there's 0. So we're going to go straight up and add our arrow for 6 o'clock. This time right here, what does it say? It says 9 o'clock. Well, let's start with our hours, which is our little hand, and let's count to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to draw just a short little hand going sideways and pointing at our 9. And it's 9 o'clock, so I need that minute hand that's nice and long to go all the way straight up. All right, we have just a few more. This time says 7 o'clock. Let's count to find the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to do just a little short line that points right at the 7. And we're going to do a nice tall line. It's our long hand for o'clock. So we have 7 o'clock. This time right here, what does that say? That says 11 o'clock. So let's count our long lines and find out how many it takes to get to 11. So let's start here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to draw a short line pointing over there at our 11 and a nice long line pointing straight up, so it's 11 o'clock. We have one more, and what time does this one say? 10. We have 10 o'clock. Let's count to find the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's draw a short little line with an arrow pointing at the 10. And let's draw a line straight up that's nice and long. And that is 10 o'clock. There we go.
Great job finishing another worksheet. Feel free to move on, or you can print this worksheet and do it again.